Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and report a missing order or just the wrong order at all. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and head into instacart.com just like that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is make sure that you are already logged in into your account and now tap on the account tab on the bottom left of your screen. Finally, once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on your orders tab right over here, and now this is where all your orders are going to be shown, including your order progress, right? So all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the order that is gonna be faulty or has missing items. Click on it, and then there's going to be a help or report button. Simply go ahead and click on the report or help button and then simply report missing items, and Instacart support is going to be in contact with you. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.